Hello. Get ready with your pen, paper, notebook. Let's start. So today we will be revising mensurations. Okay? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Keep responding so that I get to know you are there. Okay. So we'll be revising mensurations. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So keep your videos
Okay,
on.
ma'am.
When are your exams?
Ma'am, March 7th. Ma'am,
March
Feb
7th.
28th.
Feb 28. Okay. And when is your maths exam?
Ma'am, March 18th.
March.
Ma'am, I think March 5th or 6th.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have my exam at March 13th.
Marishit, yours is March 13th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your volume is so low. Increase your volume.
Ma'am,
Not,
is it okay now?
no, still low. It's still low. Okay. Okay, so today we are revising mensurations. Okay, that's area and perimeter. Let's begin. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. Okay, so we have done this chapter earlier also. You have given subjective on this, no? Subjective test on this.
Yes, ma'am. Subjective and objective both are completed.
You have given. Okay. Okay, let's begin with perimeter first. Okay, this chapter starts the first
Ma'am,
concept.
is my volume okay now?
No, it's okay now, Vichit. Okay, so that's perimeter first. So what is perimeter? Ashwath, can you tell me what is perimeter?
Ma'am, the boundary is called the perimeter.
Yes, the boundary of any shape is called the perimeter. Okay, like suppose this is the shape, the boundary of this side, the total boundary. Okay, this is the perimeter. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now Adrit, you tell me this, what is the perimeter of this figure?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 40 centimeter
See
plus 10
here,
centimeter.
yes, very nice.
Ma'am,
Area.
equals to 100 centimeter.
Okay, very nice. 40 plus 10 is 50, 50 plus 50 is CD is 40, this is 10, this is 100. Very good, Adrit. Okay. Rishit, you tell me what is the perimeter of the second figure?
Ma'am, second one, B1.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 20.
Is equals to 20 centimeters. Great. Okay. Now, everyone please find the perimeter of this and I'll ask you.
Then, ma'am,
Who has done? Adrit has done?
Yes, ma'am. Rishit also done.
Okay, good, Vijay. I guess Adrit, tell me.
ma'am, I got 24 centimeter.
24.
Ma'am, I got 28.
28. So how come two answers? Please check both of you. Check the calculation.
Ma'am, I'm getting 27.
Oh, three different answers. Please check. Everyone must check. It should be 28.
Ma'am, 27.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is coming 28. See this 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. And here also we have 7, here also we have 7 centimeters, and this
7,
side
yes.
also 7. So 7 fours is 28.
28.
Okay, because all the sides are same. So if you count for one side and multiply by 4. Okay, let's find out the perimeter of this shape.
Ma'am, the perimeter is 495 centimeters. Ma'am, 495 meters.
495 meters. Have all got the same?
Ma'am, give me
Check
1 minute.
nicely. Okay. Check
Same, ma'am.
nicely. Check again. Same. Okay. Okay, now coming to perimeter of a rectangle. See, in this chapter, you have studied about perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a
Yes.
square, perimeter of other closed figures. Okay. So there is a specific formula for this. There is no actually specific formula. It's actually the sum of all sides. So when you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we have length. Since the rectangle has two lengths, so we have length plus length. Okay, plus breadth plus breadth. So it's 2 times length, 2 times breadth. So we take 2 outside and inside we are left with length plus breadth. So this becomes the formula for the perimeter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is no any special formula. This is just the sum of all sides. So since there are 2 lengths and 2 breadths, so we write it like this: 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. Okay. So when we take 2 outside, inside we have just length plus breadth left. Okay. And for the square, what do we have? In a square, we know that all sides are equal. Is it? Suppose this is
Ma'am, so
square.
it is
Yes.
4 into S.
Yes, we have all sides are
into
equal.
side.
So if one side is say 2 centimeters, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 multiplied by 4. That becomes 8 centimeters. Okay, right? The
Yes,
unit
ma'am.
of the perimeter will be the same as the unit of the length. Okay. Okay, perimeter of regular shapes. Now, what are regular shapes? Regular shapes means those shapes which have all sides equal, like square. Square is a regular shape. It has all sides equal. Equilateral triangle. It has all sides equal. Okay. Then you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a regular pentagon, you can say. A figure where you have 5
Octagon.
sides and all 5 sides are equal. Okay, regular hexagon. Whenever this regular word comes, this means all sides are equal. Okay, whatever is the figure, but it's all sides are equal. Whatever be the figure. Pentagon, heptagon, hexagon, triangle, square. Okay, regular word comes means all sides are equal. Now, perimeter of a square is given 4 into length of one side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is given 3 into length of one side. It has 3 sides and all are equal. Okay. Then we have some questions here. Of course, we'll do the questions. Okay. Okay, let's randomly take some questions for revision. All right. Okay, let's take this question. Third one. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Now, tabletop is rectangular in shape. Okay, why I am saying rectangular in shape? Because I can see length is different, breadth is different. So it's a rectangular shape. Okay, centimeter, 2 meter 25 centimeter, and its breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeters. So how will you find the perimeter of this? First,
Ma'am,
convert
first we
these
will
dimensions
add the
to,
length and the breadth.
yes.
Ma'am, first we need to make all the numbers equal, like centimeter to meter or meter to
Yes.
centimeter.
First, by conversion, you will make it to 1 unit. Okay. Now, these
Yes.
are 2 units, no? Meter and centimeter. You will first make it to 1 unit. So when you make this to 1 unit, this 2 meter 25 centimeter
Ma'am,
becomes,
we can convert it into centimeters, ma'am. It's easy.
yes, so it becomes 225 centimeters,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
And
and
this,
1 meter 50 centimeter is
yes,
equals to
and
150
so
150
this
centimeters.
centimeter.
breadth becomes
150
150
centimeters.
centimeters, right?
And the
Yes.
answer, the
Yes,
sum
very
would
nice.
be
So perimeter will be, yes.
375 into 2.
Okay, very good. So this becomes 375
Yes.
into 2. So when you multiply it, just multiply and give me the answer. This is meters, centimeters. We have
And
converted.
750.
Yes, ma'am.
750. Okay.
750 centimeters.
So this is the perimeter of the rectangular tabletop. Okay. Okay. Let's do one more. This fifth one. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.5 kilometer by 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometers. Okay. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. Okay. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows, or like 4 times wiring is to be done. What is the length of the wire needed? So how much wire is needed for that? That means for this
Ma'am,
rectangular piece.
for first we need to find the perimeter and then we need to multiply it with 4.
Into 4.
Very good, very good, very nice. So this is the length, this is the breadth. Please find out. See, when you are doing these questions, you have to do with a statement. Please write the statement. What is the length given? What
Ma'am,
is the breadth given? Then
and we can
what is
convert
it?
this 0.7 and 0.5 kilometer into meters, right?
Why? It's not necessarily required because both have the same units, no?
Okay, ma'am.
It's only when units are different, then you need to convert. Otherwise, when the units are same, there is no
Okay.
need. Then you give the perimeter value.
Ma'am, the perimeter is 2 kilometer 400 meter.
2 kilometer, 400 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
2.4.
2.4 kilometers. Okay, so total length of wire required is total length of wire required for fencing will be 4 into 2.4 kilometers, right? Because the fencing is making 4 rows, no? Like this 4 times fencing is being done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that becomes, just multiply this 4, 16, 4 to 8, 96, 9.6. Okay, 9.6 kilometer of wire is required. Okay,
Ma'am, 2.4 km into 4 is equals to 9.6 kilometer.
yes. Okay. Now see this question number 6 we'll take. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Now first one is a triangle of sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeters. Please find the perimeter of this first one.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, so, ma'am,
Ma'am, 12 centimeter.
ma'am, 12 centimeters.
Okay, so that somebody gave the answer.
Yes.
12 centimeters.
Ma'am, next
Ma'am,
Yes. Find the next two also.
ma'am, it
27.
is
27
27
centimeter.
centimeter and C.
Ma'am,
22
22
centimeter.
centimeters. Third one.
Which one is 22?
Third one. C1.
Third one.
Third one is 22. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
it's 8 centimeter, 8 and 6. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16.
16, 16
ma'am,
plus
B1 is
20.
27.
And what is this second one?
Ma'am, 27.
27.
27 centimeter.
Right. Okay, let's take another question. Let's do this. I'm just randomly taking any question. If you have doubt in any of these questions that you find difficult, you can let me know. Okay.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer for 10th one?
Okay, what is it? What is the question? The perimeter of a regular pentagon. Okay, okay.
Yes. Ma'am, so they gave the perimeter, it's 100, so we need to divide 5 with 100, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Pen-
pentagon has 5 sides.
Yes. So what is it?
120.
So the measure of each side will be 20 centimeters.
Yes. Okay. 20 centimeter. Perimeter is already given to us. We need to find the side. Okay. Let's do this. A piece of string 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, equilateral triangle, regular hexagon? Let's do this. Do this
I mean,
one.
this we need to do division.
A piece of string is 30 centimeters long. Okay, the total string is 30 centimeters. What will be the length of each side? So square has 4 sides, means 30 by 4. Okay, you will get this length of one side. Okay, whatever answer you get. This
Now I
is,
got the answer of B1 and C1.
okay, so this will be 7 point something.
So,
7.5.
Ma'am, 7.5.
And for equilateral triangle, you will
Ma'am,
divide
10.
this 30 by 3. Whatever you
10.
get. And this is 30. Regular hexagon has 6
By
sides, so divide by
5.
6. So we get 5 here. Okay. Okay, let's see this question 14. Rishit, please read question number 14.
Okay, ma'am. Find the cost of fencing up a rectangular park of length 175 meters and breadth 125 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter.
So please do it properly now.
Yes.
There is no hurry in just giving me the answer. Okay, but do it properly and you will be showing me the notebooks. Write with proper statement. Length and breadth of the park is given and cost per meter is also given. Done? Okay, tell me what is the perimeter coming?
Ma'am, 600 meters.
Perimeter is 600 meters.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter is 600 meters.
Okay, then find the cost of fencing. Now, cost of fencing per meter is 12 rupees. So, for 600 meters, it will be 600 into 12.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
7,200.
7,200.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Okay, now we'll do the 15th question. 15th one. Advika, read the question. 15th question.
Sweetie runs around a square park of size 75 meters. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meters and breadth 45 meters. Who covers less distance?
Yes. So that means Sweetie is running around a square path. So first you have to find the perimeter of a square. Then Bulbul is running around a rectangular path. So you need to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Then compare which is lesser. Okay. Do it. with
Ma'am, by
the
subtracting.
statements. Yes.
Ma'am, by subtracting, like how much less, or just simply?
No, first find the perimeter. Then whichever perimeter is less, that means that person is covering less distance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got my answer.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So who is, yes, who is that?
ma'am, Rishit.
Okay, Rishit, tell me what is it? Who is covering less distance?
Ma'am, Bulbul is covering less distance, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Charvik
Bulbul
has
co-
also given the same answer. Very good, Charvik.
Ma'am, first we need to find the perimeter of the square park which Sweetie run. So it's 75 into 4, which is 300 meters.
Mhm.
And then Bulbul, the rectangular park which Bulbul runs. So for the perimeter, we need to do 2 into 60 plus 45.
Mhm.
So the perimeter is 210.
Yes.
210. So in this 210 is less than 300.
Yes.
Ma'am, Bulbul run less.
Yes, good. Very nice. Okay, so Bulbul ran less.
And Sweetie runs 90 meters more than Bulbul.
Okay.
Ma'am, how much distance did Sweetie cover? Once can you say?
How much distance?
Did Sweetie cover?
Sweetie covered, see, it's saying 300 meters.
Yes.
Okay, because it is
Ma'am, I got it as 320 meters.
44 into 75. No, Sweetie is running, covering a square park. Okay. Okay. And Bulbul is covering a rectangular park, means Bulbul is that is 2 into length plus breadth. Length is 60 plus breadth is
We got it, ma'am.
45.
Got it.
Okay, so this becomes 105. So that's 210. So here
Ma'am,
you
I added 4 to it.
okay, so
Instead
that
of
means Bulbul is covering less distance. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, coming to area part now. Children, please do the examples of your book also. Okay,
Yes.
whichever book you have, please do the examples also.
In our school for revision, we do those questions also. The
Yes.
example.
So whatever book you have, okay. Either it's NCRT or any other private publisher. Whatever book you have, you must do the exercise questions also and examples also. Okay, let's do. Now here, to find the area. What is area now?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the thing inside perimeter.
Yes, the
Ma'am,
region enclosed within the
interior
closed
part
figure.
of a shape.
Yes,
The interior
the,
part of it.
the space or the region which is enclosed within the closed figure.
yes.
Okay, so that is called the area, the inside part of the area. Okay, let's do now for a square. Now, when we are finding area, in case of area, what do we need?
For a square, we use
We need
side into
side
side,
into
and
side,
for a
and for
Side
rectangle,
into
rectangle,
side.
L into B, length into breadth.
Yes. So, why do we say side into side in case of a square? It's actually length and breadth only. But in case of square, all length and breadths are equal. Okay.
Yes.
So square, in case of square, it is area of the square is length into breadth. That means L into L. Side square, you can say. And in case of a rectangle, it is length into breadth. Right?
Ma'am, and they are measured in square units.
Yes, and unit is also, since this is meter or meter, it will become meters. If it is centimeter, it will become centimeter. So whatever it is, square meter, square centimeter, you will write it like this. Okay? Okay, if it is centimeter, you can, square is, when you are writing 2, then it should be written like this on top. Or you can write even like this, square centimeters. Okay, or square meters. Okay, let's do this first part. Find the area of the rectangles whose sides are given. Okay, let's do this B part. Everyone please do this B part. Question 1, B part. Find the area of the rectangle.
ma'am, 36 meters.
Okay, so that's length into breadth. Have all got same? And let others also do.
Ma'am, I got 252 meter.
152.
Ma'am, I got 252 meters.
152.
252 meter,
So
ma'am.
how many, why different answers are coming?
Ma'am, what?
252.
Why different answers are there?
Ma'am, 252.
Ma'am, 252 meter.
Yes, that's
252
252
meters.
meters. This is 252 meters square. Okay. Meter into meter will become meter square.
Yes.
Okay. Find the area of the squares whose sides are. Please find the area of a square whose side is 5 centimeters. 5 meter.
Ma'am,
It's
25 meters
25
square.
meters
Okay. 25 meters.
square.
And
Yes.
25 meters square.
Meter square. This is a difference. Okay. Please write it meter square. If in case you are not writing square, you will lose marks in your exam. The length, this
And can we write square meter like that?
yes, like this you are saying square meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is also correct. Like this also you can write. Okay, the length and breadth of the of 3 rectangles are as given below. Okay, which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest? Please, shall we find out this? Now you have to compare these. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest? You have to find the area of these 3 rectangles. Please find out.
Ma'am, shall I say?
1 second, I'll ask each one of you. Okay, Rishit, you tell me the first rectangle area.
Ma'am, 9 meters into 6 meters is equals to 54 meters square.
Okay, very good. Charvik, tell me the next rectangle area. Charvik is there. Advika, you tell me the next area.
Ma'am, 51 meters.
51 meters square. Okay. Ashwath, you tell me the next.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, should I say?
1 second, he's
Ma'am,
saying.
56 square meter.
Yes, 56 square meters. Now, which one is the greatest? Which one has the largest area among
Ma'am,
the
C.
Ma'am, C.
third one? That is C part. Okay. Okay. Which one is the smallest in area?
B.
B.
Ma'am, B.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am,
Okay, let's do this one. Sixth question. Adrit is there. Soumya?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Adrit, you read question number 6.
A tabletop measures 2 meters by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters?
Yes.
Ma'am, we need to convert to meters.
Yes, do it. Please do. The tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, then you have to, that means you have to convert it to 1 unit. So what is the area in square meters? So that means you will be converting this to meters because the area is asked in meters. Area is asked in meters. So you have to convert this to meters. So when you convert this to meters, what do you get? What do you get? Okay. So the tabletop's length is also given now, breadth is given. Find the area.
Ma'am, it would be 6 square meter.
6 square meters. Okay. Let others also give their answers.
Ma'am, 3.00 meter.
Okay. Now see here, Adrit. Its area is length into side square, no? Area. Okay. This is rectangle, so that's length into breadth. So 2 into 1.5. So 2 into 1.5 will be
Ma'am,
0.0
3.0.
meter
Oh,
square.
ma'am, yes. Ma'am, 3
Okay.
square meter.
Now, okay, let's do question number 7 now. Soumya, please read question number 7.
Yes, ma'am. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room?
So, a room's length is given and its width is also given. Wide means the breadth is given. How many square meter of the carpet is needed to cover the floor? So, in the particular, what you have to find here? You will
Ma'am,
be
we have to
finding the
convert
area.
the breadth into
Yes.
meter.
Yes. So, convert it to 1 unit. Both the units should be same. And your answer is asked in meters. How many square meters of carpet? That means you have to convert this to meters. You have to give your answer in square meters.
Ma'am, it's 14.
Ma'am, I got 14 square meter.
Okay, very nice. Good. So the breadth of the room is 3.5 meter. Okay, and length is also given. So that's 3.5 into 4, which gives you 14 meters square. Okay, let's do this one. 5, question number 9. Charvik, read question number 9.
5 square flower bed, each of size 1 meter, are dug on a on a piece of land 5 meters long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land?
So what is the question asked here? 5 square flower beds, each of size 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Now this is the piece of land, complete piece of land, 5 meter by this. That means the area of this rectangular part is 20 meter square, right? Okay, now it's saying 5 flower beds, each of size 1 meter, square beds. Now suppose this is 1. Okay, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter square bed is flower bed is there. And how many are there? How many are dug? Are dug on a piece of 5 square beds. So one is here, then second, then third, fourth, and this is fifth. So 5 square beds are there. That means each square bed has area 1 meter square. Is it? For 1 square flower bed, the area is 1 meter square. 1 into 1 multiplied by 5. This gives you 5 meters square. So that means area of these 5 flower beds is 5 meters square. Okay. Then what is asked? What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So this is, if you subtract 5 minus
Subtract
20.
the perimeter
So this
of
will
the
be
rectangle.
15 meters square. This much area is left. Right? This is the area of the remaining part, 15 meters square. Did you understand?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain the eighth question also?
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, please read. Please read the question.
A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted.
Yes, that is not carpeted. That means you have to find that area where there is no carpet. So,
It's 8 meters.
okay. So let me show you how it comes 8 meters. I'm just erasing this part. I'm making some space here, okay, to write. Okay, this is which question you said? Eighth question, no?
Yes,
A floor 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay, this is the floor 5 into 4. So that means area of the floor is 20 meters square. Okay.
yes,
A square carpet of side 3 meter. So 3 meter is the square carpet. So that means area of the carpet is 3 into 3, that is 9 meters square. Okay.
yes.
Now find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So that means out of the area of the floor, we will minus the area of the carpet. So when we do that, 20 minus 9, it becomes 11 meters square. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone, any more questions?
Sorry, Ma'am, I had a power.
Okay, let's do this question number 12. Soumya, please read question number 12.
Yes, ma'am. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively A 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter, B 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter.
Okay, now this question is asking how many tiles. See, I had given you some points also, no, when you are asked to find this question, this kind of number of tiles multiplied by area of one tile. So one tile, area of one tile is equal to total area, okay, is equal to the total area of the region. total area of the region. You must always remember this. So when you are asked how many tiles means, we are asked to find number of tiles whose length and breadth are, how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 and 5 centimeters. So that means one tile has length and breadth 12 and 5 centimeters. So what is the area of one tile? That is 12 into 5. That is 60
60 square
centimeters.
centimeter.
Okay. Respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are given. Now rectangular region's length and breadth
Ma'am,
means
it would be
area of the
14,400.
yes, area of the floor you can say. Okay. So that is 100 into 144, that is 144 and 2 zeros centimeter square. Okay, now how many tiles are required? So number of tiles will be area of the floor upon area of one tile. Okay, so floor area is 14400. Area of one tile is 60. You can just try cutting it. Okay.
Ma'am, it would be 240.
Yes, so you're getting this 240. 6 2 is 12, then 4 0. Okay, so number of tiles is 240 tiles. Right? 240 tiles. Okay, similarly, can you do the next one? Everyone, please do the next one yourself. Now, in this case, you don't need to find the area of tile again. Area of the tile we have already found out. Yes, tell me how many tiles are there?
Ma'am, 42.
42. Are all getting the same? 42. What is the area of this?
Ma'am, it is 2,520 meter square.
Divide by 60. Okay. Okay. Centimeter square, and this is also centimeter square. So you got 42 tiles are required. Okay. Okay, everyone. I hope all have understood this. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so with this, we have done all the content that is there in this chapter, area, perimeter, and you must do the examples also. Although we have taken so many examples from your exercise part only. Now in this case, just see exercise 10.2. In this case, how do you find the area of the shape? Just count the number of squares. Okay, this square is one square unit.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 square units. Okay, you can just write it here, square unit. So just count the number of squares you will get. Now in this case where you have this half square, so one half and another half will give you one complete square. One half and one
Full.
other half will give you one complete.
Ma'am,
square.
for me,
So these are two
Ma'am, it would
complete.
be 4.
1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 4. So that is 4. And okay, and always write square units. If you don't know the unit of meter, centimeter, whatever it is there, so just
Yes,
write
ma'am.
square units. And here also similarly,
Ma'am, deep
count
it
the
is
number
8
of squares.
square units.
Okay, and wherever you have half, you will count 2 halves as 1. Okay. Now let's see this.
Ma'am, 10.
Okay,
Ma'am,
now let's
even is 10 square units.
okay, now look here, this one. We'll see these curved shapes. Okay, how to find the area of these curved shapes. Now in this, what do? First, you count the complete number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the complete squares. Now you will consider those squares, okay, which have area
Ma'am,
more
which
than
are
half.
more than now.
So those squares which have area half or more than half, you will consider them as 1. Okay. And the ones which have area less than half, you will just ignore it. So in this case, this one has area nearly half. This one has area more than half. Okay, this one is also looking as more than half. This one is also more than half, more than half. This is less than half, less than half. So we will ignore it.
Ma'am, this side.
This side
Yes,
is
ma'am.
more than half. So
Yes.
that means how many dots are there? 1. This is also less than half, less than half. So wherever you have less
Ma'am,
than
the
half,
upper one is more than a 4.
which one? These two?
Ma'am, last, where did you point it?
Here, this. See all those dots where I have put a dot. These are all more than half. Okay. These are covering more area in its square. So that's why I've taken it as 1 square. And wherever the area was less covered, like here, this was less covered, this much only. Here it is only this much. Okay. So this I have ignored. I have ignored this also. This is less than half. I have ignored it. This is also less than half. I have ignored it. Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So just count these, how many squares are there? The ones where I have put dot, that much is the area of this figure. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13 square units. And we will, since this is a curved shape, we will write it approximately. So this is the approximate area. Approximate means not exact, but closer to exact. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, here also we will do first count the complete squares. Here there is complete square. This is complete. This is complete. Okay, this is complete. This is complete. Now we will. This is also complete. Now we will count those ones which have more area inside the curve. This one, this, wherever I'm putting dots, this, okay, and all wherever it is less than the square area, we will ignore it. So how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this becomes 17 square units. Okay, approximately. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Mom, what about the L1?
Which one?
L.
L1. Here, this one you are asking. Same way
Yes, ma'am.
same way we will do this also. Count the complete squares first. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 complete squares. Then count more than half, which are covering more distance, more area. So that's this one, this one, this one, this one. Here, this is less area. This is also looking somewhat less only. Okay, this is slightly greater. Okay, So I'm taking these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is approximately 8 square units. Okay. Because this is our imagination. I'm finding it this area as less area than half. Okay. So it's your imagination. If you feel that this area is slightly a marginal greater than covering half the portion, you can consider it. So that's why we write here approximately. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So anything else in this chapter that you want to
No,
know?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give another questions? Not the textbook questions.
Yes, I'll give you. Okay. So for now, it's all clear. No doubts in
Yes.
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, please write the question. How many carpets? Please write down the question as I'm writing. How many carpets? 3 meter by 2 meter are required to cover a hall of 30 meter by 12 meter. How many carpets are required to cover this much dimensional hall? Okay. So this you will find out. We'll do some questions here and I'll give you some questions for homework also. Okay, do this. Okay, then you have another one. A wire is cut into
Ma'am, I
several.
got the first answer.
Okay, what is your answer? Give me the answer so that others can also compare with it.
60 tiles, ma'am.
60? 60 carpets.
Carpets, ma'am. Carpets.
Okay, others please check also. Children, please compare your answer. Is it 60? A wire is cut into several small pieces. Each of the small pieces
Ma'am, 60 carpets.
Okay, very nice. Each of the small pieces is this is bent into a square of side 2 centimeters, full stop. If the total area of the small, if the total area of the small square, the small squares is 28 square centimeters. What was the area? What was the original length? Original length of the wire. Please pay attention. Okay, a wire is cut into several small pieces. Each of the small pieces is bent into a square of side 2 centimeters. Okay, are you understanding? A wire, there are small pieces of the wire, and each of the small pieces is bent in the shape of a square. of side 2 centimeter. If the total area of the small squares is 28 centimeter square, what was the original length of the wire? So what was the actual length of the wire before cutting? No, before it was being cut.
Ma'am, I do not understand.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
A wire, first of all, see the wire is cut into small pieces. Okay, then each of the small pieces is bent into a square whose side is 2 means 2 centimeter. That means you will find the area of each small square. Area.
Ma'am, it's there was a wire, so they cut small pieces
Yes.
and made a square of 2
See,
centimeter
this is
each.
a long wire. It was cut into, small pieces.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And each small pieces was molded to give it a shape of a square. So area we will, suppose this piece is cut here, this much piece, and this piece is shaped in the form of a square. So we will find the area of this small square piece.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So area of each area
Ma'am?
of small square you can write.
So in the big wire, they cut small pieces of length 6 centimeter.
We'll see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Because
I got
a square of 2 centimeter side is equals to.
Okay, please do it in your notebook.
Ma'am, should we convert the 2 centimeters? The area of the 2
Please
centimeters
do
is equals
number.
to 4
First
centimeters.
find the area of number of pieces. How many were the pieces? If each square piece is like this, 2 centimeter, each square side is 2 centimeters. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So total area of small squares is 28 meter square is given.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, is the answer 6 centimeter square?
I don't know which I'm finding out. Number of small squares. So how many are the total squares? That means this will be 28 upon area of one square, that is 4. So that means 7 number of
Yes.
small
7
squares in
square.
there. Okay.
7 squares.
So what are you asked to find out?
Ma'am,
What is the original length of the wire? So that means perimeter of one small square is how much? Perimeter.
Ma'am, it's 8, ma'am.
Perimeter of one small square. So that was side was 2. So 2 into 4 is 8.
8.
Okay, 8 centimeters. So perimeter of 7 small squares will be what?
Ma'am, 8 into 7.
Yes.
So
That means 7 small squares will be 8.
Ma'am, it would be 72.
Yes.
No,
That
ma'am.
is
No, ma'am.
56 centimeters.
56.
So that means you got the length of the wire. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
original length of the wire is the perimeter, is the length of each small pieces, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So each small piece is 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters.
8
So
centimeter.
8. And there were 7 pieces. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
6, and 7. And all had the perimeter 8, 8, 8, 8,
Yes,
8
Ma'am,
centimeters.
56 centimeters square or
No, ma'am.
Original
anything.
length of wire
Is equals
is
to
equal
56
to perimeter of 7 small squares. Okay. Is equal to perimeter of, is equal to this only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Perimeter of 7 small
Squares.
squares. And what is this 7 small squares? This is
56
56
centimeters.
centimeters. So this is what we were asked here, no? Original length of the wire we were asked to find out. So we have found out here original length of the wire,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is 56 centimeters. You understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
So this question was slightly different. Okay. The side of each square was given and we were given the total area of the square also. Okay. And with that we could find the perimeter of the square.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we know the perimeter of the square means we know the length of one small piece and multiplied by all other pieces. We got the perimeter of 7 small pieces. We got the original length of the wire, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please practice this question. Okay, for today we'll wind up. Okay, the class time is over and I'll give you some questions for homework also. You can check out after some time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.